Welcome to a video from digitalize.com. This is a new Windows 11 build to look at. This is build 26227 for Windows Insiders on the Canary Channel. Yes, back with build videos. I haven't done some for a while because there's been nothing really to show, but we're back with the Canary build. So the main change with this one is around Copilot. You may remember Copilot was sort of a right part of the Windows side, and it wasn't really a true app the way that it operated. It came down this right hand side here and you could move it around a bit, but it was a bit restricted. So what it means now is Copilot is a standard app like this, so you can maximize, you can minimize it, you can pin it, you can close it. It's no longer that bar built into the side. Microsoft say that this is so that they've got that from feedback, they can optimize it better, and yeah, it's all part of feedback really. So that's the main change with this build. It also means that Windows C, the key to open it in the past, is gone, and you just pin it to your taskbar and you can use the Windows. If it's in this third place, you can use Windows 3 or whatever. The rest of the changes are fairly minor. They've added support for emojis 15.1, which you can check out in Microsoft blog post with all the pictures on there. But there is a new setting that I wanted to check out. Now, it should say linked devices. My machine hasn't picked this up yet, but that's where you can be able to access like your Xbox and that kind of thing, your Xbox account there. But so I've got the family settings on there, but not the link. I've got the family settings up there, but not the linked devices. Right, the rest of the changes are just fixes. So they fixed an issue with some animations not working, like dropping frames. They fixed some issues with apps not starting up, even though they're in the startup group, and they fixed some issues which would lead to a pop-up asking permissions to use location, and it wouldn't appear, and then you wouldn't be able to give things location access. They fixed some Alt-Tab issues, and they fixed some Windows, and they fixed some widget issues as well. There is no new known issues. There is still an issue if you were upgrading from 26040, then you can use the ISO to do that. But there are no new issues in this build. So that's it for the change of this build. Copilot becomes an app, which probably makes sense. Thanks for watching the video. I'll bring you more hands-on videos when Microsoft bring out more new features.